Alright, welcome back to a video, and today I'm gonna recap Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. um, let's get to it. So last video I posted was pretty much a rant. I didn't trade it all last week. But start of this week on Monday, we had. I was bullish going into the day, and this is what I wrote in my journal. Price ended up pretty much just dropping. There was like SMTs below, pre-raise. It just pretty much disrespected all that, just dropped forever. So I didn't get a trade then. On Tuesday, I couldn't trade because I had appointments all morning. What did I even write? Was it not able to trade today because I had appointments all morning? I mean, pretty simple. And today, I actually took a trade, and it was kind of a win. We'll get into it. Make sure everything's working. Let's go. All right, so just go to my journal, view notes. Going into the day, I was bullish, and this is what I wrote in my journal. Previous to low SMT with YM, no wick on ES, NQ daily candle, feeling like this could run back up. I'm leaning more bullish and bearish. I want to see how this 4-hour. What just happened? I want to see how this 4-hour candle closes before, or because it could maybe make me want bears if it closes in the 10 a.m. range. So that what I was talking about there, is if this 4-hour candle, what time is it? 14. So yeah, so if this 4-hour candle right here, it was like hovering kind of like around this range. If it closed inside of this, then maybe I went bears down to this little like failure swing type of thing, Asia low. But it didn't. Obviously it closed very bullish. Yeah, it closed very bullish. But going into the day, there was a previous day low SMT with YM and then NQ and ES. Obviously right here. If we go to YM, we didn't take it out. So I mean that's really what made me like bulls a lot because I like those previous day low, previous day high SMTs. And then off market open actually. Let's see what I wrote. Market open and we had a little move down, then immediately started ripping higher. There was no entry for me, so I started staying patient. So as you can see, off open is opens down here. We came down a little bit, then started ripping, and then ripping again. Went all the way up. And I didn't really have an entry here. I don't know. I just didn't like anything. The thing I did like was this 1 hour. Oops. Yeah, no, I'm on the 1 hour. We had a 1 hour gap. Am I tripping? Oh yeah, right here. Then we played off that, but it just, I mean, didn't give us a range. Didn't, I don't know. And the 5-minute change was here, so I mean, it would have worked very well, but I didn't end up taking that. And the first trade I did take that I hopped out of pretty quickly was just literally a 5-minute continuation. Hopped in it right here, as you can see. And then during the trade, I just remembered how many of times I've tried this and it's just failed, so I hopped right out of it. Obviously, it would have worked well, but it hasn't in the past, so I'm not too mad about this because I got a different trade. Got in at 674 and got out at 675, so I mean, not even pretty much no profit. And the trade I did end up taking was when we started displacing higher, gapped above all these highs. Then we made this 945, 15-minute gap. Came down to tap it, go down to the 1 minute. Did we create a range with this? Oh, I just want to see. We did not, because it took out that high. Came down to tap it. Tapped it once, came up. No, that is the gap. Tapped it once, came up, didn't create the CSD here, came down one more time. Displaced through this with a lot of effort, with a lot of, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But it displaced through that, and then market entered right here, and at this high I went break even, and I'd never really do this because this is very negative R. This is, what is this? 0. It's not even 1 R, but I trimmed 3 of my 5 micros there just because I honestly, like, if you look back at my journal, like, look at this. I don't even know the last time I won a trade. This damn near isn't even a win. Like, it's pretty much been a month. So I just wanted to secure a win early November, get the I don't know, get a flow going. And then it came down, clocked me break even. Then it ended up delivering all the way up to, I had -2 on the standard deviation marked out, and it this was just I think it was yesterday morning's high. Just marked out. And yeah, that's pretty much the trade for today. Nothing crazy. Pretty much. What did I risk? I think I risked like 400 on this trade, so I gained back 0.5 R. So now, I mean, obviously not great, but I mean, if you look at the past 2 months, I don't think I have any stats for August. Yeah, negative 572 on September, negative 886 October. We're up to 07. So that's it for right now, and I'll be back soon.